What's going on, Inventors? Welcome to Home Inventions, where we innovate inventions at home. It's all about learn, inspire, build, and collaborate. Together, we do projects and share ideas and strategies in a way it can help you build the same at home. In the last video, we started our attempt to make the very first DIY smart electric grill. The goal is to make a grill that is completely automated. That is, if you're going to cook something, all you have to do is plate the meat inside, close the lid, turn it on, and wait till it's finished, and you have a perfect grilled meat every single time. Today, we are going to continue with the wiring, the electronic control board, and do a cooking test. With that, let's go and get started. Alright, in the last video, we ended by completing the installation of the heating element. Now, I started out by placing the wires and the sensors. I now attach the grab handle using a high heat epoxy. Since this is just a prototype, we are going to use an Arduino Uno board, two MAX6675 modules, a 1.2 OLED I2C module, and a perforated PCB board to hold everything. Since an Arduino board costs a lot, I will be using this clone. I then programmed the Arduino Uno board by uploading the firmware. Unfortunately, one of the MAX6675 board is not functioning, so we have to make use of the remaining one. Even though we only got one temperature sensor functioning, we can still test our concept and see if everything works. Alright, it's about time to do a cooking test. I wanted to cook a lechon belly, but since my birthday is on the weekend, I reserved it for that day, and for now, let's do a roasted chicken instead. There you have it, our DIY smart electric grill. Though we have not fully implemented the target functions, what is important is we were able to test our theory. Moving forward, I will fabricate a PCB board and improve the overall aesthetics to make our project more professional. Once again, thank you for watching. Be sure to watch out for our next project, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get updated. This is Abby Omisol, and you're watching Home Inventions.